Jose Ocampo found the love of his life as a young man and held on to her. He gave his son his name. He gave his son's children, his grandkids, his attention and his adoration. Jose Ocampo had a life, and on Tuesday, a driver took it.
Ocampo was working construction in Denver's Rhino neighborhood when he was hit by an SUV. Today, Denver 7's Liz Gilardi sat down with his son to talk about the loss and the woman police say is responsible.
Married for 33 years, a loving husband, father, and grandfather.
He was a hard worker. He loved my mom. They were close to retiring. They built a house in Mexico.
Jose Ocampo was working on Tuesday at this construction site in Denver. It was the middle of the afternoon.
The guy standing next to him told me your dad was doing his work. He was helping one of the welders when the vehicle came around. He said my dad didn't see it coming, so he got hit from behind.
He was one of two construction workers allegedly hit by the same driver. He died at the scene. Another worker was seriously injured, and the driver took off.
You broke this family, and you didn't care because you obviously didn't stop to check.
Police found the vehicle later that day, but it was empty. They arrested the suspect, Kathleen Sagaski, the next morning. Officers say she appeared to be impaired and smelled of alcohol.
No remorse. She didn't care.
Jose, who shares the same name as his dad, wanted to see her in court.
I broke down when I looked at her and I said the hardest part is telling my little ones that they'll never see their grandfather again.
Jose saw his dad the day before. He's stationed at Fort Carson and drove up to Denver.
The last time I saw him was Labor Day, Monday, and I said bye to him when I was leaving the house, coming back to the Springs. And I didn't think that was going to be the last time.
Now investigators are asking for any other witnesses to come forward to help this grieving family.
I just want justice.
Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.